Welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to earn $100 per day. $100 approximately equal to uh, like 7,300 rupees today current value of dollars. So you can earn that much amount in a day. All you have to do is affiliate marketing. It's so easy. You can learn from basic. I am going to explain you each and everything how to start with affiliate marketing. You should use Blogger, Google Blogger, which is the best tool for blogging, and second one is Pinterest, and third where we are going to get that product to do affiliate marketing. See, affiliate marketing is basically a small thing actually. You have to promote other people product. Other people, they will be posting their product on some bigger store, and you have to take that product and you have to promote that, and you will earn a good amount. So let's start this video. Just start with Digistore 24. Here is the sign up page. You have to come to this particular link. I will be dropping the link in the comment section or in the description. You have to click that and come to this page, and you have to complete this registration process. It's so easy, just asking a few simple questions, and you have to complete this process, and you have to click this and go for register now. So we have logged in our Digistore 24. This is not my main account. This is just I have created now for to show you. So okay, you have to just verify your phone number and mail ID before you start. You have to come marketplace and click all offers on affiliate marketing. See, affiliate marketing is the best field because it's booming. You can go and search, you can google it for best affiliate marketer, or how what is the amount that average affiliate marketer earns, and you will see the huge amount they were earning. There is a millions and millions of dollars who are the best affiliate marketing earning. It's a best field. You just have to give your best to earn a good amount. So okay, let's select our niche. So there is a lots of niche over here, and I think we can go with fitness and health, because I would like this is a niche that I personally recommend, because there is a lots of people who like to get fit, who wants to lose their weight. So okay, let's go with fitness and health. Okay, let's search for the best product. See, here you can see that amount of dollar you will earn if someone buys this product, if you recommend this product and someone buys this product. See, there will be, you will getting $28 for example. You will winning approximately for a 2,300, 2,400 for that amount. For if you just a single member buy this product, if monthly 10 people buy this product, you will earn 20,000 of profit. It's a big thing. Affiliate marketing is the best field. You just have to learn the things how it can be done. Okay, let's scroll down and let's see the best product. Cinderella solution. Okay, I think this is the best. This is a product because it's a keto fit today. Okay, so it has a good commission of $43. You can promote this product. Before you promote this product, just have a look of sales page, because you will get some idea that what is the product and what will be the best. What is the Before you start, you just go with sales page and watch the things over here and see what is the what they are providing, so that you can get a better idea. Okay, you have to click promote now and have to copy this is your promo link. If someone buys the product with this link, you will earn a good amount. So you have copied the amount, and next thing is you have to before you copy the amount, you have to create a blog. This is the blogger.com. This is powered by Google. You just have to type google.blogger.com, and you have to come over here and have to set up that blogger over here, and you have to create a blog. Because whenever you promote the product, no one gonna buy just directly a link. Just no one gonna click link directly. They have to see something over that. So you have to create some blog, so that you can so that someone see the blog, and they click the link and they buy the product. Blogger is powered by Google, and it's spread all worldwide. So if someone see this blog and they like the blog and they want to purchase, they just click the link and they will buy the product. Okay, let's go and search for keto diet review. Okay, there is a lots and lots of blogs over keto diet. You just go and take some blog. I take some idea with blog. Okay, so this is the first thing. What is a ketogenic diet? Okay, you can just copy this. For example, keto basic ketogenic is a very low carbon, high fat. Just you can copy this one. Okay, you just copy and just return the things over here because no one can claim on you that you have copied the thing from them. Okay, so just keep here. And keto basics, for example, you can add much you can. So I'm just giving some example. You can okay, you can give the link over here. Come to marketplace. You can copy this and come to post and click here and keep the link over here. Apply. If someone buy click here, they will directly go to the product page and they will buy the product if they need. Okay, just scroll down. You can come over here and you can just keep the link over here. Okay, we can't keep because we have directly copied the link. No problem, you can do this by own. Just keep the link straight, and if someone wants this, they can buy product. I'm just getting this. Okay, I'm just erasing this. And giving the link over here. It's a simple process. You just have to keep on doing this so that someone buys the product and you will earn up to 20 to 30 40 50,000 more than that. It's the best thing you can do. Okay, okay, I'm just okay. Okay, I have given the link over here, and see, you can click keto diet plans. So you have kept the title for this blog. And okay, we can preview this blog. See, I have just given a small blog. You can create as much as big as you can so that anyone see the product can buy the product. Okay, I am just clicking here publish. And I'm getting this link so that this blog can be seen. So next thing that you have to create a traffic for this blog. So thing you have to go with Pinterest, because Pinterest you just have to come Pinterest and you have to log in and create your business account. Here you can create a pin for the blog you have created, and whoever watch this pin and see the blog, they're going to buy your product if the blog is very good. You just have to concentrate on your blog. If the blog is superb and awesome, they are sure gonna buy this product. The blogger is the international, and the most of the people watch your blog, they will buy the product. So here you have to come to Pinterest and give the title for the pin, just like I'm going to give this as keto diet, and tell everyone about your blog. You just go to here and just give this, copy this first line and paste over here, and scroll down and give that blog link here. And you have to add a photo over here, and if the process is done, the pin will go live, and whoever watches the your pin, and they are going to watch your blog, and if the blog is good and they like the blog, they're going to click your link and they will provide a product. If someone buys your product, you will earn a good amount of money. You can earn monthly 20 30,000. You just have to wait and
you have to give your efforts so that you can earn good amount of money. So I have given all the procedure to how to start with affiliate marketing. This is the best procedure. You can start with this, and you can go with Quora. You can go with Quora and just type keto diet, and you can answer with your blog. So whoever watches your blog, and if they like the blog, if they are going to buy your product. So thank you so much for the video. Like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. We will be going to post most of the videos about affiliate marketing and lots of methods to how to earn from your home. Thank you so much.